Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promise to deliver the most professional and highest quality product and service. BONOSS Mazda CX-60 wheel spacers have global patent after-cooling design. The BONOSS Forge after-cooling Mazda CX-60 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allows the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. Our BONOSS Mazda CX-60 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6. The another is aluminum alloy 6075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 6075T6 for racing, drifting, or streaming driving. And match ISO grade 10 lug nut. The matching lug nut uses 40 chrome material by continuously forging process. And match ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. The matching wheel studs use SDM 440 steel material. BONOSS has over 66 SGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provides OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the wheel spacers complete in 3 to 7 days at the fastest, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm and PCD-CV conversion. BONOSS has a complete wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivered and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our product and provide personalized solutions. After more than 100,000 measurements, we have got over 1,000 installation cases to share. Plus, we offer the newest models to help you stay ahead and grab market opportunities. We have strong supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. All BONOSS Mazda CX-60 wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. BONOSS wants to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacers and make the wheel spacer safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same passion for cars, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS, who pass your view?